I can't really see. Oh, plenty. You should be able to pull it. Just pull it straight. Actually, pivot it this back down, and then that will come up, and then pull it.
Pull? Ready?
Yeah, pull.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Yep, keep going. Stop.
Love it.
Exhaust is fine.
I promise.
We just gotta make sure all this shit is actually clear now.
I think so. This stays with the trans. That's it. Yeah.
Is everything loose?
Yeah.
Alright, go.
Doug? Okay, a little higher. A little higher.
Yeah, higher.
Yeah, just keep pumping it up.
Yeah.
We got plenty of room.
There you go.
That's good. Alright, let's get it out. Watch this stuff. Okay. Don't watch your toes.
We good?
Higher.
Higher?
Yeah.
What's it catch? What's this?
Okay.
Okay, let's see if we go.
Yeah, you should be good. Just pull it out. Just take it out.
Oh, hold on.
It's not. Let me walk around.
Oh.
Walk in your
Right here. This right here.
Is it just catching
Go over to, there you go.
Oh,
Oh, well, I hope
Oh,
you didn't need that fan, did you?
I was gonna sell it.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
You're not going to sell it anymore.
Well,
You
poor
broke
kid.
a blade.
Guess he's not going home this weekend.
Oh.
Hey! Alright.
Hey.
Oh, stop. Bring it back further
Just
into the street.
There we go.
Lower it down a little bit. We can get this away from the pole.
Here, hold on. No. He's
Very-
gonna drop.
Very
Yes,
I mean, if
slowly.
you do it slowly.
Here. No.
It's super sensitive.
I don't even want to do it.
I got
No, you don't.
Stupid slow.
You really think you're gonna catch it,
I
dude?
have no idea.
Back up.
Just step back. If it's falling, it's falling.
Very slowly.
Side, don't.
That'd be fine. Just really gently. There we go.
See if you
Just
can,
get the fan
James,
away
see if
from
you
me.
can twist it to the side a bit so that
You
it
can-
sits across.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
Do we want this on the exhaust?
Oh
No.
Okay, no,
Stop
it's
it.
going to sit
Stop.
on the exhaust. Stop.
Okay.
We can.
Let me unbolt my
Hold on.
piece.
We can pivot this back up.
Poor fan blade. Dude, it came like that.
Quick, get some pictures.
Oh, I got the whole video.